She just wanna be somebody. She just wanna go somewhere. Poppin' mollies out at every party. And she just wanna be somebody. She just want the bottles every night. Hopping out the Rari, living life. She just want the name shining.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, you are very welcome. Please make sure to stick around by subscribing to our channel and click the button that appears right after you click subscribe. Thank you very much. So in today's video guys, we are going to be doing this look. Of course, we're going to be creating this look. So forget that I post a lot of other things now on my channel, vlogs and all that, but yeah, makeup is still a must. Like, I really like this makeup, and honestly the theme of this makeup is less is more. Like, I decided to create an entire cut crease and everything without adding one single color. Like, all of them were in the shade of brown shade. As you can see on my face, there is no single color on my face, but I made it very classy for people that want to have go for occasions. They don't want color on their face, but they want a makeup that speaks volumes. This is it for you. So if you want to see how I created this look, you know what to do. You keep watching, you share this video, and so many other things. I love you all. Oh my god, this rain is so much, so I'll probably be voicing over a lot of this video just because of how much this rain is. So I'm going to go ahead and wear my queen bonnet. I got this from Mandy's Beauty. So voiceover, that's my primer, that's my face primer right there, and yeah, that's from Farigo Cosmetics. I just use it when it's basically cold, so I know I'm not going to really be sweating, so yeah, I can use just any basic face primer. No need to stress myself looking for a very quality face primer. And yeah, that's me goofing around, normal me. So this is Nuban Beauty foundation. I'm going to be mixing it with CUTCREASE Cosmetics. Finally guys, finally I found amongst my foundations some two foundations I can mix together to give me something great. Like, Nuban Beauty is very great. I've been saying I'll review this. I don't know why I never do. Can you see? Just look, take a look at how it's like just watch me blend it into my skin guys. Like, you will barely not know where I have put foundation and where I haven't put foundation. Like, this is there anything more than this in skin match? This is skin match 101. So yeah guys, I'm just using my foundation all around my face. If you know me very well, you know I really hate foundations that are too thick, so just one layer is enough for me, because I feel like we're still going to be putting a whole bunch of other things on our face. So why are we putting so much in the first place? The first thing we are putting, which is foundation. So yeah, just me spreading putting in that foundation. Like, I'm so happy. I don't know if you guys can see it on my face. So yeah, that's my concealer. It's two different shades of Maybelline Fit Me. One is darker, which is the one I used under, and then the lighter one I'm just putting it right under my own eye. I just don't want to use the lighter one all through, so I don't start looking white. Then there will be no point for the whole matching stuff. Okay. Blend. Of course guys, like, you guys know this whole routine. Now we're just blending. It's honestly so nice when you're able to get your shade in makeup. Like, I think that was in the beginning. I thought it was going to be like the effort I put into creating the look that was going to be exciting, but honestly I was so excited by the fact that my foundation matched. Anywho, this is Fairy Gold. I think I used them. Yeah, I used them in their primer. So this is them again. I spoke about this in one of my videos. I don't know if I posted it or not, but I really like their shading of that concealer. Like, I like the tone of brown. Like, it's not heading towards black, it's heading towards brown. That's actually why I really like it. I never ever joke with this particular concealer. This is Avor. Oh god. Guys, just the thought of the brand makes me so happy. Like, you're going to see one of my best products of theirs towards the end of this video. This product is great. Like, because of their liner, I went ahead and bought so many of their other products. So many of their other products, but their liner is still my fave, which you're going to see at the end of this video. So big brush, blend the whole powder, blend the whole contour, blend. And now we're going in with our setting powder. This setting powder is from Farigold. Honestly, guys, like, it's not like Farigold cosmetics are not good. They're actually great. As you can see, this video came out really great. But then they're very affordable, and they're just things I wear when I want to maybe shoot a video, or like wear a makeup that I don't really need anything serious for it. Yeah. But then, like, they're very good if you're on a budget. God, this pencil liner, this Debbie Loster Cosmetics. Debbie Loster, I think this is my best product of theirs. I have a few of their products, but this is my best product of theirs. Like, I've never seen a pencil liner, an eyebrow pencil liner that is this cheap. The fact that it's even cheap is just so great, and it still gives me exactly what I want. So it's a plus for me, honestly. Affordable brand with quality, that's everything. So this is my Maybelline Fit Me line concealer. Sorry, guys. My Fit Me concealer. I already showed you when I was concealing my face, my under eye initially. So I'm going in with my angle brush, and I'm just highlighting my brows, guys. Okay, when I'm drawing my brows, I try for my brows to be as precise as possible, just so I don't have to do the top. But anyway, this is me using it to as a base eyeshadow. We are doing the whole base thing, making it based. So yeah, blend. My Forever Beauty. This is a very nice eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with a dark brown at the top part of my eye, just everywhere around the top part of my eye. Just, it's not too dark, that just a light dark brown shade. So we're cutting the crease, and as you can see in the beginning, I put the first layer of concealer, then I just blinked my eye to go up just to see where to follow it. And then the method in which I cut this crease is so stressful, so please don't ever drag it. Like, if you could just be placing it and drawing your cut crease, it's going to be way easier for you than this thing I did here. This is stressful, but then I made it through. I made it, guys. So I'm applying the light brown eyeshadow now. Okay, guys, so I have done the cut crease for the two eyes. So I had to cut the camera for a minute to do this eye off camera, just to save my time. And so right now I'm going in with this Avor. I've reviewed it in one of the last videos I did, but you see this Avor, after I tried this liner with it, I literally got every single product that it came in, because they are wonderful. I don't know if it's a Nigerian brand or if it's not, and they are so cheap. But anyway, I'm going to be using their liquid liner.
I'm in love with the lights and all the pretty models. Got Patron on the ice, now she sipping out the bottle. She do it for the clout, every rapper in the photo. She gon' play
So
pretend,
guys,
yeah,
I
she
really
love him,
like
but
it
it's
when I
promo.
wish you guys
All
are
this on the
getting
gram, every night she sipping
quarter
solo.
of how dope this liner is. But this
Whoa, she
liner
just wanna
is
be
literally the truth. And
somebody.
then this and that cheap
She just
product,
wanna
guys,
go
are very
somewhere.
amazing.
Poppin' mollies out
Very
at every
amazing, guys.
party.
Like
And
this
she just wanna
mascara,
be
starting with the mascara
somebody.
texture today,
She
one,
just
oh
want the
my god.
bottles every night. Hopping out the Rari, living life. She just want a name shining bright in the lights. But the love of the fame gotta grind every night. She just want a name shining bright in the lights. She do it for the thrill, for shallow recognition. Shout is a
We're going to be using these lashes from Flawless
with all
Ivy.
that ambition. When she dropped down on the knees, just to
Guys,
know
so
the
my
flow.
lashes are on,
Acting like she
and
loves
right now
shot,
I'm
but
this brush, this small powder like brush, and I'm going to just brush away all this.
She just wanna be somebody. She just wanna go somewhere. Popping mollies out at every party.
I'm going to get my normal powder and go along
She just want the
my face.
bottles every night. Hopping out the Rari, living life. She just want a name shining bright in the lights. The love or the fame, gotta grind every night. She just want a name shining bright in the lights. She want a name shining bright in the lights, though. Them lights, though, that's what excites you. I know it cause you show it. Tell me what you've been doing before it. She want a name shining bright in the lights, though. Them lights, though, that's what excites you. She just want a name shining bright in the lights. But the love or the fame got.
So I really don't use this on my whole lips when making my brown because it's actually so dark.
She just want a name shining bright in the lights. But the love or the fame gotta grind every night. She just want a name.
Ooh. So please talk about looking elegant, chic, and colorless. You talk about this look. So we're done with the eye. I'm going to go ahead and use my setting spray. My setting spray is almost done from ZKL Cosmetics. This is their bronzer. No bronzer. Their highlights, and it's their loose highlights. My problem with this highlight is it's always like it needs to be really, really controlled. If not, it's going to be everywhere. I'm just taking very little. Can you see? Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys, like I think I'm done with my look. I really don't know what else I'm supposed to do, but I'm most fascinated by the fact that my face and my arms and everywhere are matching. Like this is a big deal in makeup. It's a very, very big deal, and for me it's a very big deal too, considering that I really, really struggle with sometimes not matching my makeup and all that. But today was a success. So I think I know the trick for my makeup right now. Let's go ahead, release my hair, style it in the way I want, and I'm going to come back and see you guys. Um, so guys, period. Man, this makeup, you see this makeup, I love it. Guys, like honestly, if you want to go for an occasion, you know when they say less is more, this is the makeup. Less is more. That should be the name of this makeup. There's no one single color on my face or my lips or anywhere, but I am popping. Like, guys, I am looking great. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry it rained at the beginning. It's something I couldn't control, but yeah, it rained. And I really love you guys, and thank you for sticking to the end. Please make sure to subscribe guys, so we can get to a reasonable amount of people today, not today, this year. Subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram at perpetual joseph, TikTok perpetual joseph, everywhere basically perpetual joseph. And I love you all, and see you all in my very next video.